Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Make sure you stand it with your lighted candles. Make sure your candle is lit. Drop it and take your seat. God bless you. Members of the Golden Movie Ambassadors of Nigeria, just please sit. I'll get very, very far. Just as I said right here. Drop your candle, pay your last respect. And say a word of prayer or two. Members of the Musa family, please take your place. Members of the Aisha Bimbola Unity Forum, please take your seat. I see you. Stage manager, please. We need to do justice accordingly.